So first, who are required to file netong quarterly percentage tax? So yung required dito is yung mga non-VAT registered persons or entity. So i-check niyo yung COR nyo or yung Certificate of Registration niyo. Naka-indicate naman dun kung kayo ay required to file ng percentage tax quarterly. So if it is indicated in your COR, you should file your quarterly percentage tax. So sa mga non-VAT, kahit yung 8%, yung OSD, yung itemized deduction, yun, you are still required to file itong quarterly percentage tax if it is indicated doon sa inyong COR. So ito, next is yung deadline. Kailan ba yung deadline nito? It is due on or before the 25th day following the end of the quarter. So yung iba kasi confuse ano ba yung first quarter, second quarter. So in a year, apat yung quarters natin. So yung first quarter, we are talking about yung calendar year. So that is from January 1 to December 31. Yan yung calendar year natin. So it is divided into 4 quarters. So yung first quarter natin is January, February, March. Ganun lang yun kasimple. And yung first quarter na percentage tax, it will be due, nag-end yung first quarter nyo ng March. So, April 25, mag-due yung inyong first quarter percentage tax. So, next, ayan, April, May, June. Yung deadline niya is July 25. July, August, September. Yung October 25 naman yung deadline. And currently, ito yung mag-due ngayon. Ngayong January 25 is yung fourth quarter sales ninyo. That is covering yung October, November, and December sales ninyo. So the tax rate naman is, it's very straightforward. That is 3% of your gross sales, revenue or receipt ninyo. But take note ha, if you have some mga sales returns, allowances and discounts, especially dun sa ating mga Lazada, may mga Lazada shops, yung TikTok, Shopee, nakalagay kasi doon if ever you have offering, may mga discounts, may mga returns, makikita nyo yun sa inyong income statement doon sa online platforms niyo. So, i-minus niyo yun doon sa inyong gross sales. So, that is net. Again, that is net of sales returns, allowances, and discounts. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung step-by-step kung paano ba i-compute ito. So, again, the computation, very straightforward lang. That is, for example, yung sales niyo from October to December is 25,000. So, 3%, that is your percentage tax. So, yung June niyo, that would be 25,000 times 3% is 750 pesos. So, yung form naman na gagamitin natin is the 2551Q.